Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps. My name's Katie Carson, I'm the Duchess of Suds over here, and today we're making Secret Soap number 2. Now if you haven't seen Secret Soap number 1, go back, because there's gonna be hints at the end of the video in a puzzle, and you know, spoilers and stuff. That's really all I can say. As you can see, there's nothing in the background because no extra hints. I can't say much more than that, can't tell you my inspiration. You're just gonna have to be guessing, and I cannot wait to see what you guys have to say about today's soap. So without further ado, let's make it. All right, let's begin by pouring in our lye water solution. Get all that right in there. The recipe that I'm using today can be found in the description box below. And we're gonna blend this up until just past emulsion. I am going to be slightly more particular with this batch, so I'm going to measure out some accent colors. And now it's time to start adding in the Secret Fragrance Oil and Secret Colors. The first accent is a blend of 2 different colors, color number 1 and color number 2. Here is the second accent. It is only 1 color. And then finally, we have this, the final accent color. There's only 1 in this bucket. Here is the Secret Scent Blend, so you can see what color it is, mixed with, of course, kale and clay. All right, so let's go ahead and blend these up. Okay, and now it's time to pour into our mold. So I'm going to start by pouring in a good bit of our base here. Then I'm going to add in accent color number 1 and accent color number 2. Now using this handy little contraption, I'm going to make a little design on the inside, laying it off onto the top. So I have some special colorant in this tea strainer, and I'm going to go ahead and tap it down on the top of our soap here. Now that the mica line is on, it's time to mix up the final layer. And into the final layer goes the final amount of colorant. We're going to give this a good blend. And we'll get that final layer on top of our soap here. I am having to be very, very careful. So using my glass swirling wand, I'm giving the top a bit of a swirl, and I am being very, very careful because this is pretty shallow, and I don't want to puncture that mica line. I just worked so hard to get perfect. All right, so now it's time to add on something a little special. I'm going to be placing some of these stones on the top. And now that I have those first stones in, it's going to be a lot easier for me to go ahead and place the rest of them. I hope you guys are really enjoying the series thus far. I can't wait to see your guesses on the first video. I really doubt anybody will be able to guess it on the first video. Maybe the second one will help you. Because the stone color is so similar to the soap color, I'm having to double check and like really make sure that I'm not missing a bar in here, because it would be really easy to do so. Now it's time to add some glitter. I'm gonna start with the one that's a little bit less iridescent. I'm just gonna put it on the sides of the stone here. And it looks like I'm gonna have enough to go all over the soap. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh, this is so stunning. This is exactly what I had in mind. All right, time for the next glitter. I picked this one not only because I felt like it really matches what I'm trying to accomplish here with this soap, but also because I feel like you guys will really, really like it. It seems like something that's right up y'all's alley. Whenever I do polls on Instagram and things like that, I'm always paying attention to what the popular vote is for colors, themes, and heavy amounts of glitter seems to be something that is super, super popular with you guys. So we're gonna load this one up. I will say, next time, I think I'm gonna put the glitter on first and then put the rocks, because I feel like it's gonna help the rocks stick out even more. I have a final glitter I am adding on really quick. I know, it's a lot of glitter, but I promise, with every single bit that I add, a new dimension gets created. Each one of them kind of serves a purpose on top. I'm gonna give this soap a very gentle spritz with rubbing alcohol, and that's it. Secret soap number 2 is complete. And this is what it looks like up close. I'm gonna try to pull it back and bring it in close so you can see the dimension of that glitter when it's out of focus. For some reason, that's the best way to see it. I'm thrilled. I can't wait to cut this open. We'll be back in 18 to 24 hours to do so and take a peek at the inside after this quick commercial break. All right, guys, let's get the first secret soap cut. I'm very excited. By the way, sorry, I didn't talk very much. I don't know. I talk about this in the very last video on release day. I'll explain a little bit as to why I don't talk much this month. Okay, I think I've lined this up as best I can. Doing anything with this type of embed is always a little bit tricky. Here's to hoping. I'm just gonna go slow. Right, pull out one from the middle here, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I am delighted. The only thing I might change is the color of the mica line, because as you can see, we've got a little bit of bleeding there. I did not anticipate that. I didn't know that that mica would do that. So I think I'll just change what I use for that line. But as far as the general aesthetic goes, this is exactly what I wanted. Exactly. I'm so pleased. Now, when you guess for the Secret Soap series, you have to, and I do mean have to, not only guess the series theme, but you have to guess what each soap represents within the series. Like, I need specifics. Now, this month, we are giving away 2 complete sets of the Secret Soap series. That's going to be 6 soaps to 2 lucky winners. One of the winners will be on TikTok. All you have to do is follow me on TikTok. That's all you have to do to enter to win the TikTok one. And then to enter to win the YouTube one, all you have to do is subscribe to Royalty Soaps on YouTube. And then number 2, like the videos in the Secret Soap series. There will only be 6 of them. Just click in and give it a like. We will pick a winner on the Sunday following the soap release, and the giveaway is open worldwide. We will just ship it to you wherever you are. Best of luck to all who enter. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to make your guesses down below. I'm going to be really curious to see if anyone can guess it on the first go round. Well, do you like it? I hope you do. Be sure you do something fun for yourself today, whether that's going outside and splashing around in your pool, maybe riding a pool noodle and filling it with water and blowing it at your opponent, be that a sibling or a significant other. I don't care what you do, just be sure you do something fun for yourself. You can subscribe to the channel if you're interested. Turn on that notification bell so that you can see soap number 3 in the series. It will be coming out very soon. And until next time, have an absolutely royal day, and bye for now. Meow.